Hello, folks. CJ White coming back at you. It's getting mildly windy out there. Winds are blowing. Look at them trees. I was watching the weather this morning. It says wind's supposed to get up 65, up from 60 to 75 miles an hour. It's from that Hurricane Helene. Y'all here in London, y'all stay safe. Try to stay home inside if you can, because it's supposed to get pretty rough. Ooh, this is that wind blowing. It's supposed to get heavier here in a couple hours, an hour or so. I'm going to go up there and look up front, see how strong it is up there. I got a YouTuber that I follow down in Florida. Goes by the name of JLR Investigates. Done a video this morning of Florida made a mess that Hurricane Helene made a mess out of Florida coast. I'm going to try to get this recorded and uploaded before electric goes out, because usually when the wind gets real high, it usually knocks our power out. So I'm going to try to get this uploaded before it goes out. Landlord's got a wind chime over there. Wind's blowing so hard you can hear the wind chime if you listen real close. I don't know if you can hear it because of the wind, but I can. I love to hear the wind chimes. Milo want me to get out. Milo, that wind will blow you away. Hello, Milo. Hello, Milo. Hello, Milo. Milo. Hello, Woody. Hello, Milo. Hello, Milo. Hello, Woody. They're wanting out. I love my cats. It's dying down right now, but it's supposed to be picking back up. I feel the rain. It's kind of misting, drizzling, sprinkling. You can see the rain falling on my camera. I don't see no birds out. No squirrels, no deers. They're all smart. They're staying in. I just wanted to do this video, show you kind of wind we're getting right now. See, that's what I don't like right there. Those clouds is going south, and Helena is back over in the east going north. So it's coming around like this, and then when it gets about mid Kentucky, it's going to curve around and go back and follow these clouds, and then I don't know, it's going to be a mess. That's what weather forecast was saying last night when I was watching it, is how the Helena is supposed to hit Kentucky. Those come up toward the east of Kentucky, around Pineville, Betaville, all down in that area. Come around through the middle center of Kentucky toward the west of Kentucky, down through Bowling Green and all them, and back over toward this way. It's not good, folks. So if y'all don't have to get out, by all means, don't get out. Stay home. It's not worth getting in a accident. Whew, I'm getting wet. But anyway, it's a bit windy out here. And they said that hurricane is supposed to be, it's a Cat 4 last night when it hit Florida coast. When it made landfall, is that it hit landfall in Florida at Cat 4, excuse me, sorry about that. And well, we're getting rain right now. I'm gonna get out of this rain. That wind's a blowing. It's starting to pick up a little bit. I just want to do a video, update y'all that don't take time out to watch the weather, or don't have, and then let you know what to expect. But all I'm asking is for y'all to stay safe in this. So I want to get on out of here, try to get this uploaded. It's usually when this wind gets much stronger than this, usually power goes out in this old trailer. So till next time, we'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless. Stay safe. See ya.